Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to tell you that how can you give haircut to your dog. So you have to see full video. For that you can see we are trying to give haircut. So how can you give haircut to your dog at home? You can see in this video. You have to watch full video. Guys, we are trying to remove all hair from this husky cute breed. Without hair he is looking very funny. You can see lots of videos on my channel, husky breed. So he is completely looking like teddy bear in all videos you can see. But whenever we remove hair, now he is looking funny dog. But because of summer we are giving his haircut. So if you want to give haircut to your dog, you have to follow steps like you can see in this video. You can use trimmer and you can use this method to remove your dog's hair. But be careful at the time of giving haircut to your dog. Slowly you can give haircut. Now you can see in this video he is also enjoying because there is summer going on and husky breed like cold weather. Guys, if you also have huskies and you are also thinking to give them haircut, so you have to be very careful. Your dog should not injure. If you are expert and if you have confidence that you can give haircut at home, then only you can give. Otherwise please don't try this. Guys, most problem I found in huskies, गाइस क्योंकि इनकी हेयर ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, तो ये एक रीज़न है कि इनको कीड़े वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा कीड़े वगैरह इनको हो जाते हैं और इनको काटते हैं. तो एक ये भी रीज़न है कि हम लोग इसे हेयर कट दे रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ द मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम आई फाउंड इन हस्कीज़. इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, you can also do it same. एंड इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग टू परचेज़ हस्कीज़, तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि ये ब्रीड कोल्ड एरिया में रहना ज़्यादा इनको सूट करता है. बट दे आर वेरी फ्रेंडली, बट दे आर नॉट गुड गार्ड. घर को प्रोटेक्ट करने वाले डॉग्स ये नहीं हैं. ये फ्रेंडली हैं बट घर को प्रोटेक्ट करने वाले डॉग्स ये नहीं हैं. सो अगर आप ये परचेज़ करने का सोच रहे हैं तो आप ये माइंड में रखना. बट दे आर वेरी फ्रेंडली और अगर आप कुछ भी बोलो, इन्हें ट्रेनिंग दो, तो ये बहुत जल्दी अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं और आप कुछ भी बोलोगे ये आपके इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करेंगे. बट दे आर वेरी क्यूट एंड गुड इन नेचर. दे आर वेरी अडोरेबल. Guys, I hope this video is informative, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.